Hey guys, I'm going to tell you what to do in Mussoorie in just one day and how to reach Mussoorie from Dehradun. So from Dehradun, you can take a bus which takes around 1.5 hours and costs you around 60 rupees. So after reaching Mussoorie, you can check in your hotel, and if you take in a hotel in Mall Road, so just go in Mall Road, you find someone with renting a scooty. They will take around 700 rupees or 500, it's depend upon you. I got it on 700. So for a day, I got a 700. I put a petrol of around 200 rupees to roam around whole of Mussoorie. And so from Mall Road, after taking the scooty, I gone to Kempty waterfall. So from there, you need to little trek is there for Kempty. You will see in my video. And from Kempty waterfall, I gone to Clouds End. So in Clouds End, you need to see there is 2 points, eco points and Clouds End point, and for that there's 150 rupees per person you need to take out from your pocket. So basically 150 person. And from Clouds End you can go to George Everest. So George Everest was under roads are under construction from there. So we parked up our scooty little bit like 1 kilometer below George Everest. So you need to trek. It's uphill, so you need to trek more for George Everest. So I reached George Everest from the George Everest point. There's one more point which goes upward to hill, which I haven't go because I don't have a time for that. So that's also like you can go and explore in George Everest if you have a time. So from George Everest, we if you want to roam around in Camel Toe Road with your if you have a bike or if you're walking. So Camel Toe Road has a great view from there. You can go and take a scooty or a bike from there or walk around. That Camel Toe is beautiful. And from there we go I gone to Mall Road. Was the sunset? It's a beautiful sunset from Mall Road you can see. And you can do a shopping also in the meantime. In Mall Road you get everything if you want to shop around there. And there's a cafe by the way over there in Mall Road. You can go. They have their uh, good atmosphere. They have built it a cafe good. So coffee was good over there. We have a ship of coffee over there. And then again we go into Mall Road and walking around at the night. You can do that. So that's it. You can what you can do in one day in Mussoorie. And there's a rest of point you can explore, but it will remain the same. You get the view. So you can see in my video what are the pace I have told you, I have covered you. You'll get the great view of that. So yeah, so this is a one day I have done in Mussoorie. Hey, hello everyone. I'm in Mussoorie. So this week I'm traveling to Mussoorie, Rishikesh, and Haridwar. So tonight, today, I will traveling to Mussoorie. What's all about in Mussoorie? I will traveling every places. What is there in my itinerary? I will show you. And I am coming from my home place, Allahabad, and so I'm basically coming from Allahabad directly to Mussoorie. I'm staying in Mussoorie, the Mall Road. The hotel name is called Hotel Pioneer. It's a good hotel. I got it in very cheap, in 1,000 rupees. So this is a view, balcony view of my hotel. Not good, but still good. So अभी इधर is too cold in the morning, but अभी थोड़ा सा धूप निकल गई तो it's good. So yeah, let's go and explore Mussoorie. Landslide just everywhere. So I came to Clouds End, where basically it is like private property, and you have to give 150 rupees per person. And they have their museum, जो कि बहुत ही बेकार है. And next thing is एक व्यू पॉइंट है, इको पॉइंट है यहाँ पे क्लाउड एंड पे, विच रिजॉर्ट है, उसके अंदर प्राइवेट में ये सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी। और मैं व्यू पॉइंट और इको पॉइंट पे जा रहा हूँ, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे। सो दिस इज़ व्यू फ्रॉम क्लाउड्स एंड व्यू पॉइंट। सो ये ऐसा व्यू कुछ मिलेगा आपको जब आप आओगे यहाँ पर। दिस व्यू इज ऑसम। अच्छा है। वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर दी, बंद करो। सो ये है क्लाउड्स एंड का इको पॉइंट। यहाँ पर अभी हम आए थे तो इको हुई थी, तो मैं वो करके दिखाता हूँ। कुछ लंबा सेंटेंस बोलता हूँ, शायद इको सुनाई देगी। देखते हैं। Hey, how are you? I'm fine. पता नहीं इको आई कि नहीं, पर पूरी इको सुनाई दी थी मुझे। चेक करूँगा बाद में इको आई कि नहीं। So I am George Everest. So this is under construction. You can see. So हमें 1.5 किलोमीटर चलना पड़ा नीचे से, क्योंकि बाइक ऊपर तक नहीं आ रही। 1.5 किलोमीटर चलने के बाद हम यहाँ पहुँचे। एंड आई हैव शोन योर व्यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो, आई विल शो यू। एंड देयर इज़ वन पॉइंट विच गोज़ अप above there. We are not going because we have to leave for other points also, because we have only 1 day to travel Mussoorie. So that's point we are skipping. But if you want to trek, you can go over there. And rest is under construction in George Everest. So वहाँ पर चाय की टपरी भी मिलेगी ऊपर चढ़ने के बाद। हम लोग 1.5 किलोमीटर वॉक करने के बाद पानी वानी पिया उधर। फिर उधर पॉइंट है एक, वहाँ फ़ोटो खिंचा सकते हैं, तो ऊपर जाओ आप, जा सकते हो। तो दैट्स अबाउट जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट। I'm at Camelback Road. So this is Camelback Road. This is called Camelback Road. This is the view. So I am in cafe, by the way, having some coffee. It's too warm over here, so enjoying it. Cafe looks good.